Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to deal with sketch 3 and that's our task 3 and here's task 4. We are going to deal with these two and we have done this task 1 and task 2 in our previous tutorial. Now start task 3. It's a little bit tricky, you can say. Let's see. Let me show you. I'm going to take this blue color. First of all, what from where we can start. It's done. This 100 mm will be our extrude feature, that we will convert into 3D. Now the only thing that's seem to be easy, this face from here to here and here. It's our front plane and we are going to draw it on front plane. This is the interface of SolidWorks 2018. Control N or click on this icon, part, and OK. We are going to start with front plane sketch and line command. You can see I'm going to start from this point. Let me bold it. I'm going to start from this one. So from here to here, downward, here. Now again see, I have came here. Now from here to here I'm going, and now then left hand side, from here to here, left hand side, then up, and again right hand side, again up. It's going to be it's not vertical, but we will do it later. Here, downward, we have came here. Now I'm going to here, come here, again go up, and here, and origin. It's not look like this sketch, but we will convert it. Select this line first of all and make it vertical. Now start giving dimensions. Let me erase this all so it's easy for us. Let's use highlighter. And this one, it's look good. First of all, I'm going to mention these lower, this one 200 mm. So is my dimension, this one is of 200 mm. Done. From origin to this one, it's 30 mm. So give this one as 30 mm. This from top to bottom, it is 20 mm here. Make it of 20 mm. We have done this one, and this one. This height is 30 mm. Let's do this, or don't do this. I will come from right. 200 mm from here. Now this one is 20 mm. This one is of 20 mm. From here to here, you can see it's from here to here there is 40 mm. This one is 40 mm. From here to 120 mm, here to here. From here to this one line is 140 mm. Let me check it. It's 120 mm. It's 120 mm. Now next is this one is done. Now this height is, you can come where this one is 40 and this one is 100. Let's do this. This one is 100 mm. It's going to be little bit out of our sketch, but this one is 30. Just mention it. Don't see where it's going, but 30 mm. Okay, now this one is where is the dimension? This one is 100 mm done. Okay, this one is 20 mm. That's mean all the part from here to here is 20 mm. From here to here is also 20 mm. Okay, escape this one line. We have made 100 minus 20, it's 80 mm. That's mean this should be of 80 mm. Okay, it's come to the point 80 mm. Now from here to here is also 20 mm. It's 20 mm. Okay, this one is 30 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm, and now it's look how we have done from it. Yeah, 120 mm, 200 mm. This one is not mentioned, that's mean it's done. Let's see how it's 50 mm. Okay, we have done from all dimensions. Now we have to one more thing. I think you are thinking this part, we are not doing this right now, but we will do it. Just wait and watch. Features, extrude boss base, and we have to extrude how much? Here is 100 mm. So just make it 100 mm. Okay, and now select mid plane and okay. Now you have done from it. Now you have to cut these slots. You can say it a slot. For this, select this face, click on this side and sketch. Okay, control 8 to take it to normal, as I've told you in the previous tutorial. Now select this corner rectangle. You have to make two rectangles. You should say squares, but now here is a rectangle. From here 1 and 2. Okay, escape, select this line, make a relation equal, select this line, make a relation equal. That's when it's make a correlation. Now we have to mention this 15 mm. That's mean from the corner to the square it's 15 mm. Smart dimension. From here to here is 15 mm. Okay, this square is of 20 mm. Here is 20 or 30. Let's say it let me zoom it. It's 30 mm. So our square is of 30 mm. Smart dimension we have selected from this side is 30 mm. From here to here is 15 mm. 13 mm. I think so. It's not 13 mm. It should be 20 mm. It's 20 mm. Because you can see there is a large gap between two slots, but if I mention it as 30 it becomes very low. And now the height, there's no dimension for the height of the slot, but we know it's a square, so we can make a relation this one as equal. Let me see, control 7 for isometric view. And okay, let's see. We had used extrude boss base. We used to create a solid body, but the opposite of extrude boss base, we have extrude cut. It will cut or it will remove the material from the 3D sketch or 3D body. So if I just click it and it's asking how much, you can increase it and okay. Let's see it's looking like your sketch or not. Control 7 for isometric view, or you can select from here. Erase this all thing. Okay, yeah, it's look like your sketch. That's mean it's okay. Or let me tell you one more thing. If you think it's not this square, so click on this drop down, right click on sketch 2 and edit sketch, and control 8 to take it to normal. This equal, not this one but this one. Delete this, and now smart dimension, make it height as of 10 mm. If control 7 for isometric view and double click here, it will cut. Now see, it's too deep than our sketch. That means it should be of 30 mm. Simply control Z and okay, it's done. We have done from sketch task 3. That is our first task of today's tutorial. Then you can change its appearance. Let me show you. Come here and put it appearance like this. Okay, it's done. Okay, I'm not going to do is task 4 in this tutorial. I will make another tutorial for this task 4. Hope you will understand this task 3. If still you have any misunderstanding or you struck on any point, then you can ask me on comment section. The only thing I ask you to share to your friends, subscribe to Carry Station, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and that's all for today.